Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our third performer, we have Team Violet Victors. Palakpakan! Piwala yung pakpak mga paper. Okay, go.
H-O-T-O-G-O, we're hot.
Okay, balik ka na uwa. Ay, uy, tahong na ba? Hindi na ito maulawan. Okay, balik. Okay, take 2. 1, 2, 3, go!
H-O-T-O-G-O, we're Violet Victors, we're hot to go, ahoo! Ahoo! H-O-T-O-G-O, we're Violet Victors, we're hot to go, ahoo! Ahoo! 1, 2, ready, go. Give me a V!
V! Give me a V!
V! Violet Victors for victory! 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Violet Victors, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Go Victors! Go Victors! Oh, Violet Victors, you're the best, better than all the rest. Go Victors! Go Victors! Hey, what do you say? Violet Victors win today. Fight and fight with all your might. We're gonna win this game, alright. Violet Victors for the win!
Wow! Daghang salamat, Violet Victors! Yes! Okay, sa center sa mo. For the criteria for judging. Back to the front. Charis. So, awag na ko si Ate Kai for the thoughts of acceleration. Unsay mo ha thoughts of the performance of the Violet Victors?
Well prepared yun sila. Oo. Kunya, kuan, master nila ilang sayaw. Yan na, kuan, na, makamuot sila. Ha? Na daw sila yung mascot. Dili ako yung nag-ingon, ano ha? Na daw sila yung mascot. Love you, Marhel. Huwag mauto siya, kanang enjoy lang ang life. Mao na siyang pagpabalik sa joy, bisag tago na tatiguang.
Yes, very correct, Jude. I love the competitiveness.